Many ways to be one of a kind. Animals use their adaptation to get food and stay safe. These adaptations show how each animal is different in its own special way. These finches are a famous example of the way animal bodies change in response to the environment. The birds are closely related to each other but have very different beak shapes. Each beak shape is suited to finding a particular kind of food. The hummingbird's unusual beak has been compared to a straw, a sponge, and even a pump. Recent scientific studies revealed that the hummingbird's thin tongue parts as it brings nectar into the bird's mouth. Rattlesnakes grow specially shaped scales at the end of their tails. A section of the rattle is added every time the snake sheds its skin. To scare off predators, rattlesnakes shake their tails rapidly, causing their special scales to clatter against each other. A spider's web is strong, lightweight, and flexible. The material of the web, sometimes called silk, starts as a liquid inside special parts of the body called spinnerets. As it moves through the spinnerets, the liquid becomes a solid thread. Are you already familiar with any of these animals and their adaptations? Which ones? What else do you know about the familiar animals? Which animal adaptation is unfamiliar? Now that you learned about adaptation, can you think of another animal with a similar adaptation? What makes the animals included one of a kind? What other animals can you think of that have adapted in unique ways?